Hey everyone, welcome back to the most important video. In this video, I am going to share with you 4 ways to build confidence. I have seen most of the people do not speak English just because they lack confidence. And that is what I am going to fix in this video. I am going to share with you 4 ways to build confidence. But before I tell you anything about building confidence while speaking English, let me show you something. Let me show you the greenery behind me. You all know, guys, that rainy season has arrived and the fields that were dry a few days ago become alive again. You can see the greenery all over the place. You can also see a school. That's a primary school, and it's 200 meters far from my home. So now you can see the greenery, and you can also hear the birds chirping. So now let's get started and talk about the 4 ways to build your confidence while speaking in English. Before I tell you anything, let me tell you my quick story of how I became confident speaker. So I was not this confident in 2024. I have built my confidence with time. So if you are someone looking for ways to build instant confidence, that's not going to happen. So if you want to be confident speaker, watch this video till the end. I'll teach you how to be confident. Now let me talk about the first formula to become confident while speaking in English. The first formula is, when you are speaking in English, try to speak short sentences like how are you, what are you doing, like start with easy sentences. That's going to make you a fluent speaker and a confident speaker as well over time. I just want you to speak short sentences every single day. If you try to speak lengthy sentences, what happens is you often end up being confused, because as a beginner you don't know much about this language, and that's what makes you underconfident person. So when I started speaking English, I started with short sentences. I started with how are you, where are you going, what are you eating, I have had my meal at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I kind of used short sentences while speaking in English, and that's what you need to be doing on a daily basis. The first thing that you need to do is use short sentences while speaking in English. This is the first formula to build your confidence while speaking in this language. Now let's talk about the second formula to build confidence. The second formula to build confidence is practice speaking in English just for 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's what you need to be doing on a daily basis. If you want to be a confident speaker while speaking in this language, I just want you to practice at least for 10 minutes speaking in English. And if you don't have anyone, if you don't have English partners to talk in this language, I just want you to talk to yourself. This is how you are going to build confidence with time. In my case, I used to practice every single day, no matter what was happening in my life, what's happening in my family. I don't care about that. All I cared was if I was practicing just for 10 to 15 minutes a day or not. If I was not practicing, I sometimes would practice for half an hour every single day. If I missed some day, I compensated for the days when I did not practice. So that's what you need to be doing on a daily basis, and that got me to this level. Okay, so if you want to build confidence while speaking in this language, the second thing that you need to be doing on a daily basis is practice at least for 10 to 15 minutes daily, and that is going to make you a fluent speaker. Now let's talk about the most important thing that I have been doing for the last 2 to 3 years, and that made me, I think, a very confident speaker, and that is recording myself. If you want to be a confident speaker while speaking in this language, the third thing that you need to be doing on a daily basis is record yourself in your phone speaking in English just for 10 to 15 minutes again. This is what you can do to become a confident speaker. So what you need to do is you need to choose a topic about which you can speak for a minute or 2 minutes, and then start talking about that in front of the camera, and that's how you are going to become a confident speaker. This is one of the best thing I had ever chose while I was learning this language, I made a decision that no matter what happens in my life, I will never stop recording myself every single day. And I think the way I am speaking right now is the result of me taking action every single day, means recording myself speaking in this language every single day. Now, let's talk about the last thing that is very important. Be kind to yourself. Yeah, be kind to yourself. You might make mistakes, so be kind to yourself. If you are learning a new language or if you are learning anything new, you will suck at that, so you have to admit that and you have to keep going, because you might make mistakes. So you have to say to yourself every single day that, you know, I am learning this language, I am a beginner at this, and I will improve every single day. So this is what you need to be saying to yourself every single day. So this is what I used to say to myself, like, every expert that you see around you was a beginner once. You need to keep in this mind. Let me say this to you again. Every expert that you see in any field was a beginner once. So you need to understand this fact and you have to keep going. Yeah, if you want to be confident while speaking in this language, these 4 ways are going to help you a lot to become a confident speaker in this language. At the end of this video, I want to say that you need to be doing 4 things on a daily basis. The first thing is use short sentences while speaking in this language. The second thing is practice for 10 minutes daily, and the third thing that is record yourself every single day. The fourth thing that you need to keep in mind is be kind to yourself. You might make mistakes while speaking in this language. Even native speakers make mistakes while speaking in this language. So these 4 ways are going to help you speaking fluently and be confident at the same time. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel because I keep bringing unique content on my channel. So bye bye.